फाल्यां वर्डिक्ट डे आसा, कितें सांगपाचें? फाल्यां वर्डिक्ट डे तुमचे पणजेचेर सगळ्यांची नजर लागल्या, कितें सांगपाक शकता?
आता पणजे फाल्यां 8 वरांचेर सगळें गमतलें न्हू, कितें जावपाचें आहा तें.
तुम्ही कॉन्फिडंट आहा विनिंग जातले म्हणून पणजे?
अरे तुम्ही सांगू दे म्हाका तें.
Sir, is it true that the party has given you the responsibility of talking to the independents?
Baba, I don't have any responsibility, and party has not given me any responsibility. I am myself.
बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म
But you
BJP government will be formed tomorrow.
तुमचा रोल कितलो इम्पॉर्टंट असतो?
No, I am just a part of the.
But you are negotiating with the independents.
No, I am not negotiating with anyone, and I have got no role to play.
नो बट बीजेपी गरज लागली बाकीच्या पक्षांची
अरे
जाल्यार
सगळे येतले रे येवपाचे आहा ते.
बीजेपी कडे येतले म्हणून
सगळे येतले. कोणी हुंय वचतले.
एमजी फाटी फुडें जाता. एमजी म्हणटा काँग्रेस.
सगळे हांवें तुका सांगलें ना, सगळे येतले. रेस्ट एश्युअर्ड.
कोण इंडिपेंडंट
generating a lot of curiosity. The numbers are going to be close. Many people are saying, how do you assess the situation?
See, if you go as per your exit poll it is, no?
Right.
Yeah, exit poll. It is nowhere going to come through the way. I am sure and confident that BJP is going to get the majority on its own. Be rest assured of it.
But are you in touch with the MGP leaders as well? They could be playing a crucial role, as many are saying.
But the party must be in touch with it. I am not in touch. I am just a loyal soldier of the BJP
You
party.
are the star campaigner of the party, sir.
No, I was not a star campaigner. I was just one of the candidates.
बाबूश
म्हटलं होतं की तुम्ही जे पक्ष आणि बाकीचे लोक आहेत त्यांच्याशी बोलणी सुरू आहे तुमच्याकडनं.
No. I am not in touch with anyone. I have got friends in other parties as well. We are friends, but I am not in touch with.
Are you in touch with your other friends then in the other parties?
I am in touch with everyone there.
बाबूश
We are always in touch.
बाबूश तिसवाडीचे सगळे तू म्हणटालो की तिसवाडी मॅक्झिमम बीजेपीचे येतले म्हणून अजूनही तेजेर फॉर्म आहा तू?
Do you feel the independents could yet again be playing an important role?
No, let us see. No, as I said, I am confident that we are going to get majority on our vote.
बाबूश बीजेपी मध्ये इन फायटिंग आहा सीएम
चीफ मिनिस्टर इज Pramod Sawant is the chief minister. He'll be the chief.